Whenever I tell people that I teach Tai Chi, they usually do something like this. And honestly, they're not wrong. What they're doing is actually called waving hands like clouds, or cloud hands for short. It's the most recognized Tai Chi movement in the world. It's the one that people actually picture when they hear Tai Chi. And here's the part most people don't realize. This simple, almost playful movement is actually one of the most powerful tools for balance, coordination, and whole body health in the entire practice. In fact, if you understand just this movement, you understand the heart of Tai Chi. So today I'm going to show you how to do cloud hands in a very beginner friendly way and help you feel why it's considered this staple movement of Tai Chi. Let's get started. Okay, at first glance, cloud hands looks almost too simple. You're just moving your arms in outward, soft circles while shifting your weight side to side. But this movement wasn't created for looks. It was designed to link the entire body together and balance your energy. Notice how cloud hands trains these three things at the same time. Number one, notice the connection of the upper and lower halves of your body. Notice how it balances the left and right sides of the body, and also how the waist acts as the central hub, guiding everything smoothly from the center. That's why this one movement shows up in every major Tai Chi system. It teaches full body balance in motion, the kind of balance we strive to live from in our daily lives. All right, so you can see I'm standing wider than shoulder width. This is called a horse stance. Your feet are past your shoulders. It doesn't have to be super far past like this, just somewhere past your shoulders to where you feel comfortable, knees bent. And we're going to scoop our right hand across our body up to the front left corner somewhere. The hand is on line with the nose, about nose height. The elbow is down, protecting your ribs here. And your left hand is going to be facing in towards the body here, both flat palms. And then we're going to turn the waist and take this shape over to the front right corner here. Then we're going to turn the hand to face out, drop it to the side and down, while the left hand comes up again to nose height and the right hand faces in, and then turn that shape to the left. Switch hands first, and then bring the shape to the right front corner. You switch hands. Notice now that really what's happening is the waist is turning to the corner and the hands go along for the ride. So you switch and then you turn the waist, and look, the arms are actually being directed by the waist. It's not just arms moving. Yes, they move here, but then from here all the way across the front, it's the waist. The third thing to notice is now a weight shift that we'll add. So shift more weight into the right leg, bending the right knee, and then turn the waist and the arms go along for the ride. So switch at the corner, shift into the left leg a little bit, turn the waist, and the arms follow. You switch from the feet to the waist to the upper body. You're moving. And then from the left side with your left arm up, switching, and now the right arm and the right side of the body fills up a little bit more with weight. So you have the upper body, the lower body, the left and right sides, and then it's all being connected by the waist here, with a little space under the armpits and the body being straight up and down, no leaning. And you can tuck your pelvis slightly so that the lower body, the lower back doesn't strain. And you are doing waving the hands like clouds. Last thing to mention, look beyond the hands. Don't look at the hands. Look at the incoming force that you are connecting to right here at the face And right here at the groin, you're connecting to a punch or a kick and you're turning it out. So have energy in both hands, upper and lower. Connect to it as it crosses your face and it crosses your body, and redirect it with your waist. And now you're doing waving the hands like clouds. Okay, so relax yourself, and next we'll do it in a little bit more of a flow state together. Standing in a horse stance, scoop your right hand across your body up to the front left corner, and the left hand faces in. Shift into the right leg, turn that shape to the right. Switch the hands, shift into the left leg and turn the shape to the left. Keep going. Switch at the corners. Shift the weight, turn the waist. Keep your body straight as you shift the weight, and look beyond the hands. Feel the connection from the lower to upper halves. And into the left side of your body, and then into the right side of your body. After you switch the hands at the corner, notice how the waist turns everything. We're going to speed it up a little bit. Just imagine a flowing river. How water ebbs and flows. Be water-like. Nothing changes. Just find the constant motion of it all. Soft and flowing. Let's slow it down now. And feel that floating feeling of your whole body moving as one unit. From the feet through the waist into the upper body. Feel that full body connectivity as it becomes a moving meditation. Excellent job. We'll just drop your right hand, step your right foot back into shoulder width, and gather all the energy around you to have your hands hovering over your lower abdomen, returning this energy to this energy center as you observe what it's like to actually feel balanced. Sending you the utmost respect. Before we move on, I want to share why this movement tends to create that sense of balance that you might be feeling right now. I know I'm talking more relaxed and I'm feeling more balanced, and I hope you are too. So one of the reasons is what your arms were doing the whole time. As they float and circle around, they're gently engaging the heart and the lung meridians, which is one reason why cloud hands has traditionally been used to support heart health, lung function, and circulation. And then there's the waist. All of that soft turning through the center doesn't just guide the movement, it actually acts like a gentle internal massage for your digestive organs. In both Eastern and Western understanding, digestion is closely tied to mental and emotional well-being, what we now call the gut-brain connection. So when people say Tai Chi helps them feel calmer, clearer, or more balanced, it's not just a mental thing. Your body is literally being organized, supported, and soothed from the inside out. And the beautiful part is you don't have to remember any of that while you're practicing. You just relax and the movement does the rest. If you noticed anything shift for you physically, mentally, even emotionally, I'd love to hear what you felt, so let me know in the comments. And I hope that this helped you realize that waving the hands like clouds, or cloud hands for short, is something you actually can do. And yes, we could take it to other levels with stepping, but it's very important to get the hands and the full body connection down first, and then you can take it to higher levels. So if you enjoyed this and you're thinking, I think I'm finally ready to learn Tai Chi with the right guidance, I want you to know that I am here for that. I've created a program called the Tai Chi Transformation, and it's a 4-month small group journey where I personally guide you through a small Tai Chi form, which of course includes cloud hands and 7 other movements. The goal isn't just to follow along, it's to actually learn the form, remember it, and feel confident practicing it on your own for life. You can book a call using the link below. The reason why we start with a call is simple. It gives us a chance to talk, answer your questions, and map out a clear path forward that works for you based on your goals, your schedule, and what's realistically workable for you financially. I do offer flexible pricing for this program, and I do my best to meet people where they are. For most people, this ends up being far more accessible than they expect and even realize. So if you're curious, click the link below and just book a call. Let's talk about it. We'll take a look at where you are, where you'd like to go, and what kind of support would help you get there. And if now isn't the right time and you want to just practice on your own, that is totally fine. I love that. Just happy that you're playing Tai Chi. So keep practicing this staple movement, cloud hands. Even a few minutes a day can make a real difference in your balance all throughout your mental, physical, and emotional state. Thank you for practicing with me today. Now you have cloud hands. That's awesome. Keep playing with it and feeling it on your own. We'll see you on the next video.